At Verve Automation, we are at the forefront of cutting-edge technology, specializing in providing innovative solutions in the various fields. Why choose Verve Automation? Innovation. We stay on the cutting edge of technology to provide you with the latest advancements in automation and robotics. Customization. Our solutions are tailored to your unique needs, ensuring maximum efficiency and ROI. Expertise. With a team of experienced professionals, we bring a wealth of knowledge and insight to every project. Support. We offer ongoing support and maintenance to keep your systems running smoothly. Client-Centric. Your success is our priority. We work closely with you to achieve your automation goals. At Verve Automation, we are dedicated to reshaping industries through intelligent automation solutions. And we are a step closer to you. Join us on the journey towards a more automated, efficient, and connected future. Check out our new website. Yes, we're online. Make sure you check us out. Contact us today to explore how our expertise can transform your automation. Visit verveautomation.com now.